Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Davide Salvi, and this morning I will present you FakeCast, which is a platform that will allow you to verify and certify the authenticity of your multimedia data using AI. Nowadays, creating and sharing multimedia content is becoming an increasingly simple operation. Thanks to the improvement of smartphones and other consumer devices, every day we generate a large amount of data that is shared on the web and on social media platforms. Also, the shared content is getting more and more complex, migrating in just a few years from simple images to high-quality videos. On one side, this progress opens the doors to new exciting possibilities and scenarios that were just imaginable a few years ago. However, on the other hand, this can also facilitate the dissemination of unpleasant material by malicious users. An example of this phenomenon are deepfakes, synthetic multimedia content generated through deep learning techniques that depict individuals in actions and behaviors that do not belong to them. To give an idea of the related threat, consider that the number of generated deepfakes doubles every 6 months, and only 7% of these are made for comedy and entertainment purposes. All the others are created to attack people's reputation by defamatory, derogatory, and fraud. And all this material can spread on the web without any control. Just in the last few years, there have been many cases of frauds and threats generated by the malicious use of deepfake, and it has been estimated that the market related to fake news spreading and deepfakes is worth around $2.6 billion every year. And for this reason, it's becoming of paramount importance being able to determine the authenticity of a multimedia material. We propose a solution to tackle this problem, that is a deepfake detection system able to automatically analyze the authenticity of a multimedia material. And we do so leveraging two main aspects that are not widely considered in state-of-the-art. And these are multimodality and the joint use of signal processing and deep learning techniques, with the goal of exploit the potential of both methods overcoming their weaknesses. In particular, multimodality is the unfair advantage of our method, where for multimedia modality we refer to a particular domain of a media, such as video, audio, or text. Most of the concurrent systems analyze just one modality at a time, returning predictions that are good but are somehow reductive. On the other hand, we are able to estimate, to take into account different content modalities at the same time. For example, for a given video, we can analyze the image sequence, the audio content, and eventually also the text transcription of the speech track. By exploiting consistencies and inconsistencies between different modalities, we can increase the amount of helpful information to solve specific tasks, such as deepfake detection. Our main vocation is to follow a business-to-business model, developing a platform that will be integrated in larger systems for clients that want to assure the authenticity of their data. And for this reason, our target customers are social media platforms and government agencies. Our main advantage with respect to the concurrence is that we have expertise in both deepfake detection and generation, and we think that this knowledge will be able for the future to achieve very good results. This is the roadmap of our project. After a first step of research and study of the state-of-the-art, we developed our own detectors, and the next steps are the implementation of these detectors in the platform before its final release on the market. During the first steps of the project, we already achieved some important achievements, demonstrating the goodness of the project itself. This is the team working on this project, and we are all part of the Image and Sound Processing Lab here at Politecnico di Milano. This was FakeCast, a multimodal approach to face multimedia forensic challenges. Thank you.